Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create word cloud in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. I will again click on Get More Visuals. Write down here word cloud. Click on it. Press Add. So word cloud will appear here. Click OK. Now click on this. So we will have to specify the categories. So go in subcategory and drop it. So at present, the font size of all these subcategories is same. Now, if I include the sales, so the font size will be according to the sales. Can you see? So it means that phones are having the largest sales than chairs. We can do some formatting also. Go and format your visuals. Minimum number of repetition. So we can say that uh, if it is repeated 4 times or 5 times, that can be done from here. The font size can be controlled. Data colors. So all these colors can be selected. Stop words, if we are having stop words like A and D, if they are having, we can write it out here, and uh, this will be filtered. Do you want to rotate the text? Yes or no? So if you off it, the text will not be rotated. Let's click on the performance. It's fine. Keep as it is. So in general, if any effects are necessary, if you want to include the background, you can do it. Done. So this is how you can create word cloud in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, please refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.